Lola! Nahihirapan po ako! Mag-grade 11 na po kasi ako. Gusto ko sana pumili ng Strat. ABM sana!
Alam mo ba?
ABM.
Ibig sabihin, accountancy, business, and management. Kung interesado kang matuto ng entrepreneurship at ibang basic concepts ng financial at project management, marketing at human resources, ABM na ang para sa'yo! May bagong mga subjects kang ma-encounter dito na 80 hours each. Sa core subjects, meron kang English and Communication, Filipino, Science, Philosophy, at Stats and Probability. Para sa contextualized subjects, kasama dito ang English for academic and professional purposes, research, e-tech, at entrepreneurship. Huli, ang specialized subjects naman ay business math, organization management, fundamentals of accounting and business management, business finance, applied economics, business ethics and social response, business marketing, at business enterprise stimulation. Ito ang suggested track sa atin for ABM. Sa college naman, marami ka ring options sa courses. Pwede ang entrepreneurship, business administration, management, Bachelor of Accounting, Banking and Finance, Economics, Human Resources, BS Foreign Service, Business and Finance, and more. After college, marami ring pagpipilian ng mga trabaho. Pwede kang maging accountant, auditor, IT project manager, business or finance analyst, entrepreneur, at kung ano-ano pa. Kung interesado ka sa pagiging entrepreneur, mag-ABM ka na! Tuturuan ka nitong i-develop ang communication, collaboration, and computation skills para handang-handa ka na! Sige, mag-ABM ka! Sunod ka sa footsteps ng lola mo, top-notcher ng 2018!
Pero gusto ko din po sana mag-STEM. Sabi! STEM student ako!
Ano bang alam mo sa STEM?
STEM! Ang ibig sabihin, Science, Technology, Engineering, at Mathematics. Kung pinili mo naman ito, matututo ka ng complex mathematical problems at scientific theories na makatutulong sa'yo sa college. Maraming bagong subjects sa STEM na 80 hours each. Para sa core subjects, meron kang English and Communication, Filipino, Mathematics, Statistics and Probability Philosophy, at Physical Education and Health. Sa contextualized subjects, nandito naman ang Empowerment Technologies, Research, English for advanced and professional purposes, at Entrepreneurship. Lastly, ang specialized MBA subjects naman at ang Pre- and Basic Calculus, General Chemistry, at General Physics. Ito ang suggested track para sa STEM na kukunin mo. Kapag nag-STEM ka, ito ang ibang pwede mong kuning course sa college. Bachelor of Science in Engineering, Bachelor of Science in Computer or Data Science, Bachelor of Science in Information Tech Systems, Bachelor of Science in Applied Mathematics, Bachelor of Science in Statistics, Bachelor of Science in Architecture, Bachelor of Science in Health Science, and more. Para sa mga jobs, marami kang options. Pwede kang maging industrial or chem engineer, dentist, nutritionist, doctor, marine engineer, pilot, astrophysics, at kung ano-ano pa. Pag nag-STEM ka, masishape ang critical thinking at problem-solving skills mo. At magiging handa ka na rin sa paparating na technology. At madami pipili sa'yo.
Oh, nakapili ka na ba?
Opo, Lola! Thank you po, Lola! Mano po, Lola! Ngayon, alam ko na ang gusto ko. Gusto? Ngayon, alam ko na ang landas ko. Landas! Ngayon, alam ko na ang bagay sa akin.